Thank you for your interest in our one-bedroom ocean view apartment on Condado Beach. This is the sitting area, which has a full-size futon that opens into a bed. The dining area sits 4 people. And the kitchen, which is fully equipped with all utensils and appliances. A pantry. And over here we have the bedroom, which has a queen-size bed, closet, TV with cable and high-speed internet access. We have air conditioning and ceiling fans. Although this apartment is so nice and breezy that you probably won't need the air conditioning, but if you do need it, it's there. Over this hallway we have 2 closets. We provide all linens and towels and some accessories, and the very clean bathroom. Again, really thank you for visiting our one-bedroom ocean view apartment. We hope that you will get a chance to come and visit us. And I want to show you more of our beautiful ocean view. We also have a really nice view of San Juan, and it gives you an idea of how close we are to many hotels. You can see the Marriott over there, casinos, restaurants, shops, and our building has a nice collegiate-sized swimming pool, lounge chairs, and direct access to the beach, tennis court, and walking distance to many amenities. Thank you again for visiting this video. Ciao!